Okay, so this one, Carol. Okay, so how's your personality change when you grow up? Of course, when you grow up. So there are changes with your personality. How does your personality change?
When I grow up,
When?
when I grow up, my personality change.
When you grow up, your personality change? How?
Yes,
Before. Oh, what? How can you compare your personality?
before my personality is careful, but uh, but when I grow up, I am careless.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Careless now. Okay. So before you were careless, how about now? Okay. Before you were careless, and now how about now?
Before I am before I am careful, but now I am careless.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. Oh, okay. So this one. Are you an optimist or a pessimist? Are you an optimist? It means optimist, positive. Pessimist, negative, and why?
I am an optimist.
You are optimists. Okay.
Yes,
Why you think you're optimist?
be, um, I am optimist because I want to happy every day. Because I want to happy. Because I want to feel happy every day.
You want to be happy every day. So
Yes.
that's being positive. That's being optimists. Okay. Now here. So now what do you think? Describe the personality of your best friend, huh? Okay, like this. So in the chat box, you'll have to tell what is the good points of your best friends, what do you like, and which of the things they do most give their personality away. Okay? Three answers. Huh? Okay. Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Their good points are friendly, cheerful, and kind. Oh, you like them, your friends? Because you read. Because oh, sorry, where's my camera? Because they always
Because they always listen to me.
okay, they always listen to me when I am sad. Wow, very good. Okay, which of the personality that the most give their personality away? Which of this?
One
One
day I
day.
see they have a homeless people.
Oh, really? Your friend help homeless people? Wow, that's
Yes.
very good. Oh, so good. Okay. So, Carol, so you are lucky to have friend like them because they are so kind to you and also to other people. Okay? So, always remember to be kind always, right? Are you kind?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
I
yes,
just
I Oh, very
just
good. Wow. Always be kind, huh? Okay. So, Carol, I will see you tomorrow, right? Tomorrow?
yes tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m. again. Okay? Thank you so much, Carol, for tonight. And tomorrow we're gonna talk another topic. Okay? Bye-bye. Good night, Carol.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, good night.
Goodbye.